In case if you want to delete the Google Plus account from your Google account, then what you do is go ahead and open a site, myaccount.google.com. Click on sign in. Now you can select the Gmail ID or enter the Gmail ID from which you want to delete the Google Plus account. Enter the password. Click on next. Click on data and personalization. Scroll down and click this option, delete a service or your account. Click on delete a service again, and then you need to re-enter the password to verify. And this is the Google Plus account. So if I want to delete this Google Plus account from my Google account, I have to click on this delete icon. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.